Hi, I'm Jimin. I'm Jimin. I love you.
Nice to meet you, guy. I'm Jimmy. Come on.
First of all, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah.
I practiced that just for you.
Hello.
Hello.
I practice.
Thank you. What's your name? Don't worry. Thank you!
I love your music.
We don't have this. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
그거 맞네.
Thank you. Sorry. I don't speak English, sorry.
Hey, Coda! Don't worry, I'm not afraid. You're not afraid? Okay. Hey, Jimin. You nice.
Nice.
Keep going. Hey, Jimin. You nice. Keep going.
Who has been the biggest influence or motivation in your lives?
My member.
BTS. That's right.
I love my eyes.
I love my everything. Everything.
What's your favorite track?
What's your favorite set?
Feel, how is it up there?
It's crazy. So crazy.
Maybe it's I know who it is.
I don't know, me.
Jimmy, why you're always late?
I don't know.
You hate fast? Maybe he hates to be fast. So
What's the longest? Is it your hair? Picking it
I
out
don't
the
know,
outfit?
but I'm so sorry. Oh, I like Usher.
Usher. He's one of my favorites. I love Usher.
Oh,
Do you have a favorite Usher song?
no, Remy, baby.
Pharrell,
Usher.
Usher,
Chris Brown.
Chris Brown,
Trey Songs.
Trey Songz.
Thank you for having us here. Yes.
이렇게 될 거 아니야.
예? 그래요. Yes. 이렇게 하면 되죠. 레이첼 메가담스.
Rachel McAdams.
Yeah.
She's not married.
She's not
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm
Cheer
so
up.
sorry.
Sure.
What movie from Rachel McAdams?
Notebook. Ask anything, chat. Thank you for having us. We will show you everything today.
Oh.
Yeah. We love
Yeah?
LA. I love noodle.
Oh, noodle.
Noodle.
What kind?
We got noodles in Korea too.
Korean noodle.
한국에 없는 음식이요.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I love.
It's always so exciting to see our fans. I love Yami.
So it's right now. I think it's the most mind-blowing.
It's always so exciting to our fans. Just Army is our everything. Okay? So
It's a miracle.
How was it working with them then?
제이스 포커스 이런 거.
just good.
Yeah. I like you.
I bought your hearts. We have different clothes. No. You flying. 뭐야?
Flying fruit bat.
Yeah.
Flying fruit bat.
형 아무 때.
Jimin wants to eat some 돈까스.
No. Maybe you.
What you?
형 때문에 주로 다투는 거 같아.
아, 예. What kind?
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Next question.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Next question.
오늘 지민 씨가 영어 준비했나?
Thank you so much for everything. You made us what we are today. Remember.
그러지 않은 거 아니야?
아니 뒤에 있어요. Remember.
Remember?
We love you.
야, 그만해요, 네.
이렇게 끝내기에는
Yes, I go to the place without Jin.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah. What's your name?
My hearing Healing. My healing time.
I think I am koala
왜?
because I love her.
To Jungkook?
To Jungkook? Computer?
Wow.
Oh yeah.
You
got candle.
Candle.
Yes. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
2 for 2 so far.
What about $1 million?
Okay. Let's go. 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4.
Okay.
Super simple.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next
Chapter 2. 2. Just hands.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chapter 3.
Chapter 3.
Just
How many chapters are there?
Just neck.
How many chapters are there?
Three.
Okay.
Just neck. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Oh, she's doing it.
Perfect. Good.
Great.
Last. All together.
All together.
Same time?
Same time. Show her.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it.
You can't do it.
Let's go.
Do it.
Billboard.
Yeah.
Billboard. You shout out.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, you one more time. Now you guys all together.
Okay.
All together.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yeah. 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Secure.